Alright, so this is just getting started with welding. You really want to do is make sure you secure your work, but in this case we don't need to. Clear off, clean off this area here. Attach your ground clamp. Turn on the welder. Open up the gas. And put your welding gloves on, your safety glasses, your welding helmet, and you pick up your welding gun, and you want to kind of tilt to the right on your work, and you want to pull the trigger and move it very slowly in small little circles as you go along. And that pretty much concludes welding.